car just geeked out. My name is Danny, and this was the death of my beautiful N54. For about only having it 2 weeks, it blew up. This is a 2016 BMW M4, but this is my single turbo 2007 BMW 335i. And today we're gonna see who's faster. Now, a lot of you were asking for this race specifically, which one is gonna win? Comment down below. Run! Oh, wait. I couldn't start in time. Oh shoot, my car just geeked out. My car just, I don't even know what happened. Hold on, let me do the MHD. I have never in my life seen this many codes. A super knock from every single cylinder. By the way, I've never even heard of a super knock. And then we did go ahead and get fuel pump plus ability. I cleared the codes, the car stopped misfiring, so I went ahead and did another pull. But when I did the second pull, I did notice the car kept cutting out. It was very strange, so I decided, call it quits. Let me not damage anything. Let's stop right here. I don't know what this car is doing, bro. I'm done. I'm not gonna do this. I know y'all wanted to see it, but it's acting weird. It doesn't want to shift, and when it shifts, it's like, I don't know. It doesn't run right. All right, since that race video obviously didn't work, we're gonna do a ref battle like losers. But on the bright side, I got to drive my first ever Supra, surprisingly. Thank you, sir. I'm not gonna bring it back. 10, 10, 10, 10. Some boost logic. All right, you know what's worse than the car just being absolutely done? I am hungry. Like, and I don't have time to go eat or anything or make myself anything. Crystal, do we have anything to eat right now?
Yeah, I'm working on it. Just give me 2 minutes.
That's so good. Wow. Shout out to today's sponsor, Factor 75. Factor helps you reach your nutrition goals easier than ever by delivering fresh, never frozen, dietitian approved meals right to your footstep or doorstep. There we go. For example, are you looking for calorie conscious options ahead of a heavy work week, or you're not gonna have any time for the next week or the next month to cook any meals? Right here, dietitian approved, like I said, never frozen, fresh right out of the packaging. That's good. And for example, this one actually has less than 550 calories. And more macros, this one has around 40 grams of protein. Pretty much a hassle-free meal. You can keep working on your car, doing your thing, go inside, cook it for 2 minutes, come back out, work on the car while eating. It's great. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my yummy meal. Huge thank you to Factor for sponsoring today's video. Head over to factor75.com and use code DannyZ for 50% off your first ever box. Trust me, it's life-changing. You save so much time. You get some quality meals, not just something frozen. It's incredible. And let's get back to the video. I might eat it, I'm sorry. Do you guys want to see a Supra on the channel? Let me know. I saw that car was running bad. I avoided a bullet, but I was a little upset. And what did Danny decide to do? Let me do a second gear pull off camera, and yeah, we got cylinder injection cut out, and the car started smoking like crazy. I literally thought it was on fire at one point. Something's for sure smoking here though. Y'all saw that, right? And that's when I got home and realized the car was running very, very rough. And when I popped the hood with the car on, I realized it is smoking like a chimney right out of the catch can or the PCV valve. The car literally turned into a vape. Now I'm actually going crazy. But before we figure out what's going on, I had to drive to the next location. Content you get here on the Danny Z channel. Freaking Aventador against the Beamer. Like right now, y'all, my car's on. My poor little Beamer's on. It's got a crazy misfire. We gotta talk about that. We gotta talk. My Beamer's actually blown up. I'm not even kidding. That's just baller stuff right there. This to my left is a V12 Lamborghini Aventador, and this is my BMW 335i single turbo. And today we're gonna see. Wait, my car's blown up? What do you mean? My BMW is blown up, so we can't rate.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
What's up, brother? What's your name?
Bashar Daoud.
Bashar. I'm gonna leave his Instagram on the screen right now. Do you want to tell him a little bit what you do?
You see on my shirt, Muscle Tone Bullies. I own a company called Muscle Tone Bullies. It's a franchise. We breed American Bully dogs. We created our own look. We're the #1 breeder for this breed, and maybe for any dog breed in the world that at the level that we are doing it at. If you visit our website at www.muscletonebullies.com.
My gosh. Hey, he said something that we gotta get this properly on camera. Do you want to say that again?
Interesting thing is, before I bought this car, I was gonna buy a green Aventador S from Gulf Coast Motorsport from Rob. It was Cardi B's old Aventador. She had some nasty looking wrap on it, and he was about to remove the wrap. I was about the car. It was taking too long, and I'm an impatient man. Alex called me from Naples Motorsport, and he said he has a white Roadster. So I went in there to see it, and I fell in love with the tuxedo, with the black and white. So I bought it. Came to find out, that was Lil Wayne's car.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that was Lil Wayne's Aventador before it was mine.
Wheeze. That's crazy.
So this is a 2014 Aventador Roadster. Really, I just love the car because it was black and white. Black and white is like my ultimate colors. Most of my cars have always been black and white, but I need to add carbon to everything. So I did the SV front bumper and rear bumper, but the SVJ side skirts, I had to add them on.
That's
so
crazy.
I had to get a
So
little width.
aggressive.
SV wing, obviously, because if I went with the SVJ wing, which is quite a bit nicer in my opinion, I'd have to change the hood, which I didn't want to do at the time. But this is temporary right now. I am going to do an SVJ body kit, but it's going to be a SVJ wide body kit. So it's the same.
How much is that? How much is an SVJ wide body kit?
In dry carbon fiber for everything, fenders and everything, it was 65K. So it's not too bad, honestly, in my opinion, being dry carbon.
Yeah.
We have wheels. Those wheels were custom designed by me.
Oh, they're carbon too.
Yep, carbon wheels.
That's crazy.
I'm a big carbon guy.
All right, bro. Thanks for the video. The Beamer's right there. I just go ahead and take the Lambo. The engine might be done, but if you hear like a weird sound, just ignore it.
Really?
All right, you're good, bro.
That seemed like a fair trade,
Yeah,
but all right.
Yeah, of course. I got you.
Trust you.
Yeah, for sure.
That's fine.
All right, fun's over. We gotta figure out, is the engine blowing or not? Also, check out the song that was in the radio. First stop, Harbor Freight, because we gotta pick up a compression test to check the piston's compression. Stop hating, dog. It's not funny. Hey, I wasn't hating. I wasn't like all these comments right here on the screen. I don't know why you're talking crap. This also affects you, you dumb. Oh wait, it lasted you 2 weeks? Yes, it lasted me like, give or take 2 weeks. First of all, we don't even know if it's blown up yet. We gotta go test it out. So let's relax.
Why is that smoking? It smells like it's actually burning. Why does the car sound like that?
Bro, I'm not checking your hand. So from piston 1 through 4, 150 compression. So happy and thankful. And then piston 5, a motor with almost 157,000 miles. I'm so blessed. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. At this point, as you saw, I was thankful, I was happy. But here we go. Piston 6. Oh. 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 70 compression. My heart sinks. This is literally me going through a mental warfare right now. Absolutely freaking out. It's done. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Please, God. Please, God. Told me it was a mistake. Oh my God. Nope. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yo. All right. I need your opinion on something that I just found out. Cylinder 6. 70 compression.
70? Uh-oh.
What does that mean?
Fuck.
Don't say that. Stop. Can I put like some juice in the motor to like up the compression of
You
cylinder?
can't put juice in the motor to fix a hole?
Bro, my heart sank.
Honestly, I think you probably bent a valve.
Bent a valve? Okay.
Yeah, or a valve isn't seated right, or there's something stopping one of the valves from closing, or you could have snapped a valve spring.
I'm honestly at a loss for words. The exhaust also started smoking a lot more. Alright, so the car that destroyed everything for me and ruined my whole life is right behind me. Yes, Brian, because it's his fault that my car blew up, is giving me his M4.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I didn't tell you about that. We'll talk about it later. But the fact that I only had this car single turbo for 2 weeks and it already blew up, I've been alright mentally though. What could the issue have been? Honestly, I need you guys to let me know down below. What do you think the issue may be? It might be an overboosting issue that we did have with me and the tuner. We did have overboosting issues with the wastegate, not really reading the correct amount of pounds. So I put a 14-pound spring on, and the tuner did tell me that it wasn't reading correctly. So he did put a safe tune, I guess, and said that we were good for now. No, we weren't. The car blew up. I don't think it's anybody's fault. If anything, it's my fault. I'm gonna blame myself. I don't know. I don't know how to feel about it. It's really discouraging, but I need you guys to let me know what you think the issue may have been. And should I just get another motor? Should I build this motor? Yo, it's crazy that I'm talking about this right now. We were supposed to race a Lambo, race a Supra, race your car.
Thank God it didn't happen with the Lambo. You still...
What would you take? The single turbo 335i or this insanely insane Lamborghini? I'm gonna say it now. If y'all say the Lambo, when I'm at the top, you're not coming with us. That's fake. Y'all gotta go with the Beamer. Come on, y'all.